welcome to the Grace Life DIY home decor. I decorated my table, my placement for two, and it is in Valentine's Day style. But this is a very special collaboration here, so let's get started. All right. So this is Tablescape Tuesdays, and that's my favorite time of the week. So Tablescape Tuesdays is every Tuesday at 6 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. This is a place where I normally invite a guest once a month, and then they get to choose the theme. All right, so this is absolutely beautiful, this tablescape, and I hope that you guys like it. So we have a guest, and today we have Sandy Lynn's Home and Garden. And her theme, she wanted us to decorate the table with the Queen of Hearts, or you can just place red hearts on your table. I just happen to have a deck of cards, and I happen to have some roses, and I bought this at the Dollar Tree. I need to take you around the table. Isn't this absolutely gorgeous? So I saw it and I thought of Sandy Lynn. And as I said, her theme was the Queen of Hearts, or like Alice in Wonderland, or you can just put hearts on your table. So I was really happy to do that, and I was just going to put hearts on the table when I realized that I can add some stuff that I already had that would have made her happy when I added the cards, the Queen of Hearts. All right, guys, so as in all collaborations, we practice YouTube etiquette. Tablescape Tuesdays is being hosted by the Grace Life DIY Home Decor, and I really hope to see you guys here. So quite a bit of you were collaborating, and I'm hoping that everybody gets back into the swing of setting up their tablescapes and joining me. So I already decorated the table, and I really want to take you guys in to show you how I did it and where things came from. So let's start over here with the tier tray. This was part of a tier tray collaboration that I had, and I can't resist it, guys. I've been leaving it on the table because it's just so adorable. The cupcakes came from everything comes from the Dollar Tree. And this candy, isn't that the most adorable thing? I think that this little birdhouse here came from the Dollar General, but then the little chubby bird over there came from Dollar Tree, along with the little candy machine, which is absolutely adorable. And I put mints in it. I might turn around if I can find the conversation hearts and change what's inside. Then I have some greenery, and I have this beautiful little rose. So everything that I put together here came from my stash. Okay, and then we have this iridescent tree. So this is my little tier tray. I left it there. This beautiful lace runner all the way to the end over there. This came from Dollar General. Absolutely gorgeous. I want to say it cost $6 or maybe less. So these were the handmade cards, and guys, I had a Valentine's or a sweetheart Valentine's Day card. I have them up there on that stand, and I just brought the little one down so you could see it because it had a heart on it and it said you and me. So I also found this at the Dollar Tree, which I thought was so adorable. No, I'm sorry, this was Dollar General. So I thought I'd place that on the table. And now the roses, and there they are over there on the shelf in white. These roses, and they say Happy Valentine's Day. And when it's not Valentine's Day, you can still reuse the roses, just turn that sign around. So here we have a thrifted dish. Okay, I placed some mints in it, and then here I have a little cloche with a bunny because it's reminding us that very soon we're going to be heading into Easter. This beautiful arrangement right here, I DIY'd the vase, and the arrangement, those florals came from Walmart, and then of course it's snowing outside, so the flock trees really seem appropriate for this tablescape. So let me go ahead and break down this this tablescape and tell you where everything came from. So this napkin, the gold napkins, they were gifted to me, and the ring, the napkin ring, I bought that at Party City. I thought it would be really cute to place this card on the table since it is the Queen of Hearts. Now, I have this little dish right here. I absolutely love using it, whether it's vintage stuff or anything. It just looks like an open flower, and I love it. So the white dishes did come from Dollar Tree. This red and white dish did come from Dollar Tree. And then we have this charger here that also came, I'm sorry, I want to say that came from Hobby Lobby. And then the placemat, which is absolutely gorgeous, guys. I have the dish in my hand, so I don't have my hands free, but the placemat was absolutely an amazing buy for $1.25, and the thickness, you just cannot believe. I just think the quality was really nice, and for $1.25, I thought it was perfect. So as I put this tablescape together, I just came home from school today, and then I decided to go ahead and open the pack of cards, and I placed the Queen of Hearts right there in the center, and also bringing the napkin across the top. And I thought that was really beautiful. So, and like I said, these tablecloths, if you would, placemats, if you would buy them at Hobby Lobby or anywhere else, they would cost you more than $1.25. These utensils here in the gold tone, I purchased from Walmart. This was the water glass that I got from the Dollar Tree. And these water glasses I purchased at Goodwill. Then we have the votive and the candle from Dollar Tree. And I already took you around the table. So, I don't know. I think this was a really beautiful tablescape that I put together for two. And then this is my background. I am absolutely loving it. If you guys haven't been over to Sandy Lynn's channel, head on over there. She's such a great supporter of everyone else, and I really cannot wait to see you tonight to help me to celebrate Sandy Lynn. And she has an amazing channel, and I would love it if you go over there to subscribe to her channel and then let her know that I sent you. So I hope you enjoyed the video as much as I enjoyed showing you. If you liked the video, click like, share, and comment. Don't forget to subscribe, guys, and don't forget to hit that notification bell so that you can get notified each and every time I upload a video. Have an amazing day, and I'll see you in the next one. God bless you.